Task conflict is occurred when two or more employees have different opinions, attitudes, and perspectives towards the decision or issue from diverse workforce. This has caused disagreement in the complex workplace. The disagreement in task conflict are basically toward work assignment, organizational policy and procedure, and team tasks to complete tasks. If the manager cannot manage the task conflict properly, it will result in a poor working culture in the organization. This will also lead the employees to work less productively and cooperatively, disrupt normal channel of cooperation. In extreme cases, task conflict can even lead to job violences. However, many people declare that task conflict is beneficial to the company. When teams come up with a variety of ideas, it will increase the innovation and problem-solving ability. By hearing conflicting sides, people within the organization may think more carefully about the issues and make better decisions. Conflict in the workplace may damage the interpersonal relationship among employees. This has resulted in relationship conflict in the complex labor force. Relationship conflict is occurred from the negative feeling interaction among employees and different individual personalities. It can differ from minor disagreement among employees to aggression and organizational violence. Poor interpersonal relationship may distract team members from the work task, and employees will work less cooperatively and efficiently. It is because the employees view themselves more as an individual worker and less as a team when the negative emotions run high. Relationship conflict is frequently identified as a source of stress and is more difficult to manage and diffuse compared to task conflict. Therefore, it is essential for the management team to improve the employee relations within the organization. Nowadays, in a completely linked globe, it is likely to observe that cultural clashes occur in a complex workforce. Primarily, culture is defined as a set of values, tradition, or belief a group shares, whether due to different ages, races, or religions. Cultural conflict is caused by misunderstandings and disagreements related to cross-cultural diversity. As a result, there is a cultural disharmony in the organization, which also led to decreased creativity and productivity in the business. Workplace stress corresponds to the feeling of employees who experience a disconnection between the tasks they need to accomplish and resources they have available to complete it. Miscommunication turns out to be the top work stressor based on research. Poor communication creates a feeling that everything on employee to-do list is urgent, causing them and their colleagues to hurry, feel tense, overwork, and have little to no sense of humor. Furthermore, it is very common to see employees suffer from stress related to lack of collaboration and ambiguous future career path. Employees feel excluded from the common goal, make them doubt the purpose of work. Also, unclear leadership that misleading employees increase their work stress.